Here I am cutting a rectangular piece of fabric from an old pair of jeans so I don't ruin Desi's new overalls. I purchased puffy paint from Michael's and wrote "Good Guys" on it. His overalls were on sale at H&M for $12. I cut up Nyla's old dolls. I cut the legs, the arms, and the head to attach to the wedding dress for the bride's costume. I purchased this old wedding dress from the thrift store for only $3, but I'm sure it was an old Marilyn Monroe costume. I used safety pins from the 99-cent store to attach to the dress. Then I used fake blood, also from the 99-cent store, and just splattered it on the dress and let it dry for an hour. Here I am just cutting a piece of Desi's old rainbow shirt to attach to the bottom of his overalls the way Chucky has on his costume in the movie. Again, I am just applying them with safety pins. Of course, I didn't let the puffy paint dry long enough, so I had to do it again. This time, I attached the fabric on first and then did the writing. I got red hair paint from CVS for $3 and the wig from eBay for $15. And here we are, Chucky, the bride, and the seed. Spooky. We hope everyone had a safe and happy Halloween.